Y'all, I have been suffering from dry skin, pimples, breakouts, my everything looking bad, my skin just peeling, my eyes underneath are just baggy, my skin don't got glow, I got oil in places that I feel like I shouldn't got. Like, what is that? What is that? Like, I don't understand what's going on. I look sick. My mama don't know. I am overwhelmed. I can't deal. I'm going to try again tomorrow. And that's how I feel.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I'm back again for another video and a new hairstyle. And if you want to know how I rejuvenate my skin from taking long trips, I literally just got off the plane, just got back from my trip, and y'all, my skin is tired. My skin needs rejuvenation. My skin needs its natural glow back. I mean, I can only hide it under makeup for so long. So let me tell y'all how I rejuvenate my skin, how I give it that natural glow, and how I make it touchably soft and hydrated again after the weather that the plane, the flight has made it so ugly. Follow me. Let's go. For this video, I'll be using the body lotion, the body oil, the coconut water facial moisturizer, and the coconut sugar facial scrub. First, I'll be starting with the facial scrub. I use the facial scrub and just massage deep into my skin. I love how the raw sugar gently buffs away, and the coconut gives me that shine that I need. Also, it polishes away that dirt and those dead skin cells we do not need, I promise you. The benefits of this product is it's all natural and exfoliates and purifies my skin. Next, I'll be using the facial moisturizer. Y'all, this renews and revitalizes my skin. It makes it healthy looking and radiant. I love the consistency of this moisturizer. It feels smooth and is soft to the touch. My complexion never looked so amazing. When I tell y'all, this basically gives me hydration for 24 hours, I mean 24 hours. Next, I'll be using the body lotion. Okay, your skin gets a little rough. If you're traveling, if you're on, it doesn't matter if the weather's changing, your skin definitely gets rough. And I love that the body lotion hydrates my skin with those essential oils and gives it the nutrients that it needs. Y'all, when I tell y'all it buffs away that dry skin, it buffs it away. And the ingredients are purely natural. So while I'm moisturizing, let me give you some reasons why I chose Palmer's. Palmer's coconut oil formula has vitamin E that is so rich for our skin. It's also made with love. That means it's free of paraben, dyes, mineral oil, sulfates, and anything harmful to your skin. And look at that shine. Which one's my favorite? I'm so glad you asked. It's that body oil. It leaves my skin so rich, smooth, and gives me that glow that I need. Okay, for extra moisturizer, especially for my bedtime routine, I use the body oil on top of the lotion. Here I'm showing you guys how I work this in my skin, but the body oil gives me that healthy looking glow, but I want to make sure that at nighttime, I'm feeling more moisturized, I'm feeling more sad. I want to feel softer and glowy. So when I wake up in the morning, my skin already looks healthier. My skin already looks good. So I use the body oil just for that. And you don't have to do it at nighttime. You can do it in the morning. It gets the same result. I just feel like sometimes I don't need it in the morning because I do it at night. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And hey, share the love just like Palmer's, because you can leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel and become part of our family. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll know every time I put up a video. Also, follow me on IG. That's where you know everything. I love you guys lots. Bye.